In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find and edit scheduled posts on a Facebook business page. Start by opening facebook.com in your browser if you are not there already. Make sure you are logged in to the correct Facebook account that manages your business page. Once you are signed in, switch over to your Facebook business page so you are working in the right place before opening the scheduling tools. After that, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click Meta Business Suite. This will open the business management area for your page. Give it a moment to load completely. The dashboard may take a few seconds, depending on your connection and the size of the account, so wait until everything is visible and ready to use. When the Meta Business Suite dashboard has loaded, go to the navigation menu on the left side. In that menu, click Planner. This section shows your scheduled and published content in a calendar view, which makes it easier to find posts by date. You can move through the dates and look for the post on the day it is scheduled to be published. When you see the correct post, click on it to open its Content Overview page. On the Content Overview page, you will see more details about the scheduled post. Look to the right side of the screen for the Feed Preview. In that preview area, click the three-dot menu. This will open a list of actions for that specific post. From the menu, select Edit Post. The editing screen will open, and from there you can update the text, make changes to the creative, or adjust any details that Facebook allows you to modify before the post goes live. Take your time and review the post carefully so the updated version looks exactly the way you want. When you are done making changes, save the updated scheduled post. This will keep the post scheduled while applying your edits. After saving, it is a good idea to double-check the planner again to confirm that your changes were applied correctly and that the scheduled date and time still look right. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.